What's all the fuss over this Wavy Talk hairdryer anyway? It's not like it's any better than the others. Or is it? As somebody with a lot of hair, it normally takes me 25 to 30 minutes to dry my hair with my normal hairdryer. So I really didn't have high expectations for this one. But I was wrong. This one dries my hair in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. And there's no frizz. And it's so shiny. It also comes with a comb nozzle attachment. The attachment I have on it, and a diffuser. There's 3 heat settings and a cool shot setting. And the best part is it's super lightweight compared to the ones I normally use for 30 minutes, and I feel like my arm is gonna fall off. And it uses negative ion technology, so it doesn't damage your hair like some of the others do. This has definitely been key to keeping my hair frizz-free and shiny. I've linked it below for y'all if you want to check it out.